written some beautiful tunes. Then he created a new album that is now nominated for the Hoku Awards coming up on the 23rd of May at the Convention Center.
That's right. Hey, thank you.
Woohoo, Wade.
Thanks for that intro.
Go get him.
Well, Kekaula allowed me to play his guitar, and I'm thrilled to be here. Kind of unexpected. Ken, I enjoyed your song about the Big Island, and I've got something else about the Big Island right now. I played this on your show there the other day. Sir, this is a hot rod, right? No volume knob, just gold, right? Okay. Cool in the summer, bright stars at night. Hua, the first sign of life. The sunshine in morning, a stillness inside. And oh, the peace in my heart. Okay, Kekaula. Soft rush of wind that began long ago caresses the land with a love all its own. I stand and I listen, I hear their song. No peace in my heart, Kekaula. Fragrance familiar, a longing to be close to the mountain that reaches to the sea. Spirit and nature, they hold hands in the midst of Kekaula. I'm just like you, drawn to this place, humbled by the beauty and not moved by the grace. The spirit of serenity is here in this place. No peace in my heart. Whoa, the peace in my heart. Oh, the peace upon my heart. Kekaula. Oh, Kekaula. Oh, Kekaula. Thank you. It's about a place on the Big Island up by the volcano. And we would go walking in the evening and we would smell maile. And I moved here 38 years ago, and it's been quite a learning curve, learning about Hawaii and Hawaiian culture, and smelling the maile and looking for it. Where is it? Where is it? We never could find it in the forest, but we would smell it as we would walk. So thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Wade Cambern. Isn't that beautiful? Mahalo, Wade.